What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander started if the key fob dies. We'll also take a look at how to turn the Outlander off, as it's just a little bit different than normal with a dead key fob. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying put key near switch. So I'm going to take my key fob and just hold it up to the stop start button. And you hear it beep, and then the dash will change to this. And now we're ready to start the vehicle, and we can just start it as normal. So brake, stop start button. And then you'll be ready to drive as normal. The only difference being, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, is to turn the Outlander off. If you just try to turn it off like you normally would, just hit the stop button. It's going to beep and we'll get a message on the dash saying no key. So what we need to do is press and hold the stop start button down for a few seconds. And then the vehicle will shut off. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.